As someone who enjoys a good psychological thriller and mystery, this show had me sad. Firstly, because it is a remake of the French series known as Lamont, which was released in 2017, and secondly, because of the intense psychological warfare that goes on in this show. Honestly, Queen Mantis does Lamont justice in the way that it was recreated. Queen Mantis begins with Jung Yi-shin, who's been imprisoned about 2 decades ago for murdering 5 men, and she specifically targets abusive and corrupted men. And when the police force finds out there's a copycat killer on the loose, copying the exact same way Jung Yi-shin murdered people, the police have no choice but to approach her for help. Now, I can imagine the frustration of the police. Jung Yi-shin gives the police force 2 conditions. Firstly, she must be permitted to work on the case, and secondly, any and every communication that happens will happen through her estranged son. It should be noted that her estranged son, Cha Ye-sol, is on the police force, and obviously he despises her for the crimes that she has committed. This show, Queen Mantis, is going to have you on the edge given the plot twists and turns and the way that Queen Mantis goes about helping her son. Jung Yi-shin doesn't give her son any direct answers, but rather, poses her questions as riddles so that her son can, sit and solve this case. And honestly, 10 out of 10 for the star cast, 10 out of 10 for the way this remake has been made. Absolutely well done. If you're somebody who can't stomach all that violence, bloodshed and gore, I absolutely recommend that you go and sit and watch this show. If not, you can always check this one out. Your thoughts below about Queen Mantis. Until next time.